So I'm back. I cut my circle from the Cameo and the software. And I actually have 3 samples to show you with this demonstration. Here are my circles. And the really cool thing about doing this on a die cutting machine is you get a really crisp edge. And so when you put your cathedral circle together by folding in all 4 sides, you get really nice points and really nice inside layout of the cathedral circle. When you go to lay out your circles on the canvas, you really want to do a couple of dry runs to avoid any off-kilter circles on your layout. And for the design here, I knew that I wanted to put some additional embellishments in between, and I knew I didn't want to go too far over on the edge of my canvas. So you really do want to lay this out. You can also lightly draw lines on your canvas to help you lay them out nice and straight. I simply positioned my canvas on my cutting mat lines so I knew I was level when I started. And then what you want to do is, and let me see if I can bring this down just a little bit more so you can see what I'm doing here. Just use this corner. What you want to do is you take your circles, and however your layout is going to look, and it could look any way you want. I just wanted the diamond pattern, so I laid mine on a diagonal. Now all 3 of these are cut out of the same piece of cardstock from the collection, but for the example I used 3 different pieces of paper for the canvas piece. This is one piece, you can see the color change here, and this is another piece as well. I think I used 2 or 3. And that is how I created the cathedral circles in the Silhouette software for my G45 Imagine Canvas Mixed Media art. Thanks for watching.